Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your PC and controller. Install Dolphin 5.0 or newer and make sure your Bluetooth adapter works. Once done, pair any Wiimote via Windows Bluetooth or use a USB Wii Plus dongle. This gives accurate rotation data. Next, open Dolphin, go to Options Configuration GameCube and Wii to confirm Wii support is enabled. Then navigate to Options Controller Settings and choose the Wiimote slot to begin configuration, so you can map motion inputs. Now you'll configure how motion translates into the emulator. First, pick either emulated or real Wiimote mode. Emulation is easier, real gives better latency. Make sure motion source points to your paired device or the emulated input. Calibrate orientation by following the on-screen prompts so pitch, roll, and yaw align with the game's expectations. Then map the motion axes to the corresponding emulator controls, adjusting sensitivity and dead zones until movement feels natural and reactions are consistent. Finish by saving your controller profile and launching a short test in a game that uses motion. Observe responsiveness and fine-tune sensitivity, smoothing, and dead zone. Lower dead zone reduces lag but can cause drift. If the Wiimote jitters or won't pair, restart the Bluetooth service, repair the device, or try another adapter. Sometimes updating drivers fixes issues. If problems persist, switch to emulated mode for stability. And remember to resave the working profile so you don't repeat configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.